Hello friends and welcome to my channel Devinshal. So I hope you are doing well and I hope you are enjoying my videos till yet I've uploaded, and just now we have to start some of the projects with HTML and CSS. I was just uploading previously beginners project of HTML and CSS, and this project is also a beginner which we'll be making, and today we will be just making a simple e-voting system in HTML and CSS, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video. And if you are enjoying my previous video, so like that also, and if you're enjoying this video, so like this video also, share this video with friends and family members, subscribe on my channel if you are new here, and also just remember to just share these videos, because if you share, many people learn this video, and when they learn, so they give good comments to me and to you also, because you provide them too much good opinion to just check out my videos, because that are totally amazing. And if you also want to check, you can check my previous videos of HTML CSS. In coming up future, I'll be also uploading the tutorial of HTML and CSS, which should be really helpful, and I hope that will be really understandable for you. So remember to see that things also. So I hope till here you are enjoying and just learning things from my video. So if you are learning, so just remember to subscribe, and now we will be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a e-voting system in HTML and CSS. So now we have to start to build. So we will be using Sublime Text Editor to build that, like previously we were using. So I'll be opening that because I have already opened here, and you can just open any of your browser which you want to open, because we want to save our HTML and CSS file. I have already saved here, which is called index.html, which is my HTML file name, and one is style.css, which is my CSS file name. And if I just go onto my desktop, I'll be showing you this is the HTML file in which we will be working, and this is which open on my browser, so you can work with this. And you can see we are getting all the things, like we want two files here, which is looking awesome. So you can go to your desktop and just you can press to open here. So I will be opening this file because now I have to work with this. So here I'll be closing these things, open this, then you have to just do that side by side, so we can just get our things side by side. So you can see when I've done that, so now we are getting at the left side our index.html file in which you can write your codes. At the right side we are getting our index.html file which is empty here, and we have not written anything. So you can just write here, and then you can put things here, or you can add our things over here you want to do. And these are the things which we'll be working with. So now we can just start here. You can just start by adding the first HTML code by writing this tag, by writing HTML, press enter or tab to do. When you press enter, all the starting code has been appeared. You can see in title you can just write e-voting system here, so you can write here e-voting system. And when you've done that, save by pressing Ctrl S, reload. You can see e-voting system is here at the top. And now here you can just do one thing, you can move to this body tag, and when you are just moving here, we have to just write a heading of e-voting system which we are making. So here I will be writing H1, then write here e-voting system. So write here, then save here and reload. You can see e-voting system is here at the left side. Now you can take it center, but we have to do that in CSS. Before that, we have to create our inputs in e-voting system which we want. So here we have to create inputs, like we have to write input tag here. Then when you have written that, write text, give the name of name, or you can keep empty this also if you want to put. You can write placeholder, like you all know placeholder, what is it, I have telling in previous videos, you can check that out. Or you can just check some of the things. I will be taking you the example. So this is the example of placeholder which is written search the web, and if I press this and write anything, so it is removed. So it is removed because it is having the placeholder, and it's telling you to search here anything if you want to search. So this is the placeholder which we are getting. You can write in placeholder name, then copy paste this input it many times you want your input. So you can paste many of the times. If you want more input, so you can paste more times, or if you want less input, so you can paste less times. So here I'll be pasting 4 times, save and reload, and you can see we are getting it, but we are getting in horizontal and one is down. If you want these all should be in one line, you can press BR tag. You can write BR tag to take these all in one line. But if you want horizontal, so you can just take it horizontal. But I want it in one line, so I will be giving the BR tag here. Then just you have to press here. Just you have to copy here with arrow key, paste here and paste here, and just you have to save here and reload. We are getting this. Now when you are getting this change its name here, so you can just move here at the top, then you can write here the name, and before changing the name you can write here password, then in the placeholder you can write here password. So here when you've done that you have to write password, then when you've done that here I will be writing email, and when you've done with that here you can also write email. So here I'll be writing email, then when you've done that move down, and here I will be writing message, and then I will be writing here also message. When you've done that, save here and reload. You can see we are getting the things like we want. Now I want my CSS file should be linked with that, so I can just write my CSS code and take it in center and get some padding or margin from here. So here I'll be getting link, then in link I'll be giving my style.css sheet link, refresh. Nothing happens because we have only linked our CSS file. Go to your CSS file here, then I will be giving it this tag, which means you're defining all the things. Right here the font family which I want of Poppins, so here I'll be writing Poppins, then write comma sans serif. Now when you've done that, move down here, and when you've moved down, just you have to write here, okay, when you've moved down you have to just write a tag here, just save that and reload. We are getting our font family, then I will be giving text align in center, so you can write here text align center. Now when you're done with that, move down here again, then I'll be setting my input. You can write input tag here, and now you can just give it the padding also, but for giving padding you have to move here and then write a div tag. So write div class should be input. So here I'll be writing input, copy paste this div underneath last input which you have just written. So here I will be pasting, save and reload. Now we are getting this, save here, reload here. It is in center and not getting too much padding, so you can just give the width of 300 pixels, save and reload. We are getting that. Then you can give the padding of 13 pixels, save and reload. We are getting the padding also. You can give the 5 pixel padding, I think it is perfect. Now here you have to move down, write dot input because we have written the class here, and when you've written that, just you have to do one thing here, like padding I want here 13 pixels, save and reload. And when you've done that, you can see we are just getting these all things, and when you are getting, so now your e-voting system is ready. So just you have to copy paste that more times so you can get it. So here I'll be copy pasting that. So here now copy paste here, then I will be pasting here and pasting here, save and reload. You can see we are getting, but here I'll be pressing enter, then in the last I'll be doing that, at the top I'll be moving, and then here I'll be pressing enter, save and reload. And you can also write br tag here, so we can get space from here. Copy this, then paste here, and it is perfect, save and reload. Okay, so we have pasted that many times, and now when we are just getting this, so this placeholder is not giving too much, like you can say the gap which we want. So the gap is not coming, so here I'll be writing br tag, save and reload. You can see now we are getting the space from here. So here I'll be copying this br tag from here, and then I will be pasting here at the top this thing, save and reload. Now we are getting a space from here. Now we have done that, and you can see we are getting all the things like e-voting system we want. So I hope you enjoy how to build this e-voting system, and I hope you learn also how to build this e-voting system in HTML, CSS. If you have enjoyed this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you have not shared the video, share it with your friends and family members, and I will be meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.